Bits of paper lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the bricks and tidy, make the bricks and tidy. Clean them up, clean them up. Bits of paper.
And throw into the bits of paper, throw into the
Dustbin.
सगळा कचरा कुठे टाकायचा असतो डस्टबिन मध्ये रबिश थिंग्स थ्रो इनटू द डस्टबिन से थँक यू